Stop the car! Don't you wreck the car James bought me.
Don't be afraid. I'll pay you if you wreck it. It's very simple. Driving is all skillful. You just need to remember these points. No matter how narrow the road is, you can pass safely. When encountering such a narrow road, just keep your eyes on the lower left corner of the windshield. When in the lower left corner of the glass, just to see the other vehicle's headlights, you'll be able to pass safely. The same applies to right-hand traffic. Just look at the lower right corner of the windshield. When below, the headlights of the opposite vehicle will not have any cuts. When parking, with steps in front of you, look in the rearview mirror. When the lower edge of the rearview mirror and the upper edge of the steps coincide, the front of the car is just 30 centimeters from the steps. Reversing, there are steps behind you. Just keep an eye on the front door handle in the rearview mirror. When the center of the front door handle and the step coincide, then the rear of the car is also exactly 30 centimeters away from the step. When passing through this kind of signal, look at the left side of the steering wheel. When the left side of the steering wheel extension line and the width limiting door into a straight line, closed eyes to drive forward will not have cuts. When turning a corner, there are steps ahead. Observe the front hood. When the hood and the steps coincide, the front of the car is just about 3 meters away from the steps. Whether you turn left or right, you can pass safely. Attention! Here comes the key. If there is a car in front of us, look at the front hood too. When it's just halfway to the front tire, you can steer all the way without scraping the car next to you. How is it?